Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I went into Dollar Tree. I am still sitting right here outside of it. I picked up a couple things and of course I'm coming to share them with you guys. It's not a really big haul, but of course I'm coming to share. So the first things I found were some Marshmallow unicorn poops. And I just think these are super cute. They are multicolored little unicorn poops, and of course I want to open one just to look at it, get a closer look. I did pick up 2 bags of them, so I got the 2, and I just think these are so cute. I like marshmallows. This one is, oh, can you see that? That one is green. Sorry for the glare of the sun. They have purple. They have a mixture of blue and pink. So these are like really cute pastel colors. And I love marshmallows. I'm telling you, I usually buy the circus peanuts. So when I seen those, I was like, yes, I have to get them. Then I picked up some stationery stuff. And I just think these are cute. This one is a magnetic notepad. And it says all about the hustle. And that is so true. And it has the cute little pen that goes with it. This one is small notes, big ideas, and I love the gold foil at the bottom with the black and white and the pink. I think that is super cute. This one has a hole at the top though, in the middle. So it says block notes. So I picked up that. This one I definitely had to have, like a boss. Super cute, and it has the magnetic flip right here to open it. This one is Do What You Love, and it's just a cute little journal. So I grabbed those. And as if I needed another notebook, I had to get this one. This one says Fine Apple. Fine Apple. And it is, the letters right here in the apple is print out. So you can see like the little confetti or sprinkles in there or whatever. I wonder what's on the inside. Let me look on the inside and see what's behind that picture. Because I only picked it up because I like the outside part. I don't know what's in there. Let's see. Oh, it just says it again, but on paper. So this one is like a hardcover, and then this one is paper. That's super cute. I think that's cute. So I grabbed that, and then you remember my last haul? I saw the Taco Bell sunflower seeds. They were okay. They just tasted like taco seasoning. They were okay. They weren't that bad. Would I pick them up again? I don't think I'd pick them up again. But you guys know whenever I see something that is new, like a flavor or something, I like to pick it up. So they have the Big Chili Limon by Tapatio sunflower seeds. And so I'm definitely going to try these because I am a sunflower girl. This one, I don't know. I was a little on the fence with, but I picked them up anyway. And it's sizzling bacon. I don't know what they be thinking about with these flavors, but I had to get it to try it. I am guilty. I went back, and in that one video where I was trying to walk through the store without purchasing anything, I saw this and I didn't pick it up, and I had to go back and get it. And it's the cute little gold elephant wall art decor, and I just think it's super cute. And the little scripture is by Gandhi. So I picked that up today. And before I show you those 4 candles, I saw this. I can't remember who showed this on Instagram a while ago, and I didn't see them in my stores, but I did see them today, so I picked it up. And it's the Ready to Use Aroma Guru Roll-On in Tea Tree, and it looks like this. And it says no mess, no fuss, pre-diluted and ready to use. Simply apply to your temples, the back of your ears, or your pulse points. And I guess it's supposed to relax you or something like that. So I just picked it up. And then I also got this one in the pump, which is a spray, and it says relax. They had another one in lavender, but I'm not a big lavender lover. So it says what is in it, and it's Relax Essential Oil Blend, and it tells you to blend back here. But like I said, I'm not big on lavender, so I just got this one, and it's in sweet almond oil plus a Relax Essential Oil Blend. So I got that. Now the last couple things. Now I cannot, whenever I see a new candle in Dollar Tree, I have to pick it up to at least give it a try, because that is like one of my things. I love candles. And so this one was the Volcanic Burst Soy Blend Candle in Enchanted Night. And when I smelled it, it smells really light. It has a really nice fragrance to this. Kind of citrusy, but really, really light. And I'm hoping that it gives a throw to it. I only picked up one because I just like to give it a try to see if I'm going to like it. This next one, I did pick up two. Because it smells really, really good in the jar. And I love these jars. And these could be reused after they are done. And these are Enchanted Night. And they're called Frozen Water. And I don't know, I wish they would put like what little notes are in here or whatever, but I know that I'll be asking too much at Dollar Tree. These were hard to open, really hard to open. So let me see. Ugh. Okay. This one literally smells like a man's cologne. It smells just like a man's cologne. I cannot put my finger on which one. It's something like a, I don't know, like a Issey Miyake, the pie by Issey Miyake or something like that. Is so nice. It smells so fresh and clean, and you know, and so I did, like these are hard to open though, I'm telling you. I did pick up two of these in the frozen water, just to well, with high hopes. I'm hoping that those smell good. And then here's another one in dark velvet. This one was a little bit, it's not that strong in the jar at all, but it has a really nice scent to it, really light scent to it, and it smells like a cologne as well, but it's really, really light. It's not as strong as the other two. So yeah, so that is it. I didn't pick up that much today, you guys. I did not. Maybe over this weekend I will do more shopping. I was at the 99-cent store the other day, and they had the little stools. I did post them on Instagram, and I'm kicking myself in the butt right now for not buying one. And I'm wondering if I go back over there, if they'll have any. So I might go back over to the 99-cent store later today, not right now, and hopefully be able to get one of the stools that I don't need. Do I need it? I don't know if I need it. Maybe my daughter will need it in her room because they're really, really cute. Oh, I feel like I had something on my like hair. Not my bang, but like a loose hair. But maybe my daughter can use it in her room. I don't know. But they were so cute. They were like these furry stools or whatever. So I may go over there right now. I'm not too sure. But I just wanted to share with you what I did pick up in Dollar Tree. Maybe I'll have a better haul this weekend. So you guys stay tuned. So thank you all for watching. Have a beautiful day. And I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.